Oh man, so today is a huge day for Fantom because one of the key founding members of Fantom is saying that we could be heading to $10 during this conference, which remember, the conference finishes on the 29th. Today is the 28th, so we've got 2 days left, and today is a key day. I'm going to show you exactly what he said and what that could mean for the Fantom price. But first, where are we at with Fantom? We're on the daily chart right now. We can see we hit our first price target of $3.04. Done. We then moved on higher. We touched $3.40, and then when Bitcoin had its dump, we really did dump on Fantom. We dumped all the way down to $2.52. I managed to pick up some more. I was quick on my toes on my phone. I managed to snap some more Fantom up. If you were unable to pick that up, don't worry about it. Sometimes it's just a bad time zone or you're asleep. I just happened to be awake and managed to pick some of this dip, and we've bounced back really quickly. I mean, if you take this huge candle here from 2.5 to all the way high of 3.48 in a matter of 24 hours, guys. This shows how much momentum and volume there is behind Fantom right now. I mean, let's do that move. If we do that move all the way to the top there, guys, that's a 37% move in 24 hours. That is massive swing on Fantom from the red to the green. And like I've always said, the coins which are now rebounding the quickest are the coins with the most momentum right now. And Fantom is one of the biggest rebounders right now after this dump. And it just shows that it's just shrugged it off and we're ready to move higher. If I bring out the EMA ribbon, you can see we're super extended, even with that massive wick down to 2.5, which is why I was so confident to buy the dip. We didn't even touch the EMA ribbon. We didn't even come to the support of this line here, which we had drawn at $2.45. So this was a really simple, straightforward purchase here, and we can head higher now on Fantom. Really beautiful chart setup. We've been bullish above this EMA ribbon for a while, and to be honest, we've not come close to testing it for a while. Ever since here, where we bounced off of it with great strength at $1.35 back on the 6th of October, it's been on an absolute tear. And we have 2 days left of the developers conference. I'm going to show you exactly the price target given by Yeh from Fantom. So make sure you stay to the end of the video for that, because I'm going to put that into this video as well. Now, before we go ahead and do that, we know there's a few days left of the Fantom conference. We know Fantom has just surpassed 1 million unique addresses. So that's a great feather in their cap that they were able to do that. Okay, so we know the developers conference is happening in Abu Dhabi right now. It's been happening since the 25th. It's a very long conference actually, in Emirates Palace, which I've had the pleasure of going to. Lovely place in Abu Dhabi. Yeah, we've got a super important announcement, because I've been reading through the lines, and take a listen to what Yeh had to say.
Fantom pump. Yep. That's become a thing. And, look at Tomb. If you take a look at Tomb, about a month ago, it was 55 days ago, the project was pretty much dead. Now it's worth about $400 million. T-shares. It's trading at around, I think, $4,500 or $4,600 US. And Tomb is actually more expensive than Fantom right now. I think it's trading at about 1.12 ratio of Fantom. Projects are ones that we're invested in, and we've created Tomb pairs. What you're going to start seeing in the ecosystem is a lot more pairs that are against Tomb. And without giving away too much for the degens tomorrow, let's just say today's a very, very good day for all the degens to buy Fantom and anything that's on the ecosystem, including Yoshi. There's Yoshi. That's a new one that's kind of taken off. Spirit, Spooky. Anything that's priced against Fantom right now is a very good deal today.
So as you can see there, he's given you a bit of a clue that if you invest in things which are paired with Fantom, you could be doing well, right? So they were talking about different projects which you could be investing in, such as Tomb Share, Spooky Swap, all these kind of projects which we've been covering. And if you've watched my video, if you haven't seen my video, go check that out here. But what he's saying is if you invest in those pairs, you'll do well. So if you read between the line there, guys, that could be suggesting that we could be getting a really important exchange listing. And you guys know I tweeted this out a while ago, mentioned it in my video. I heard some rumors a couple of weeks ago that we could be getting a Coinbase listing. I'm not 100% certain of that. It could be a different platform, right? It could be Binance. It could be something else. Sorry, Binance already have Fantom, but it could be Binance US, I think, don't have it. or a different exchange, and that could be massive for Fantom. Any on-ramp from a centralized exchange will lead to more volume coming into Fantom. Fantom is hot right now. People want to be buying this, and a listing on an exchange would be huge for Fantom. The other rumors going around are around whether there's some relationship with Tesla. So some people are tweeting out, is there something going on with Tesla? We'll keep an eye on that to see if we hear more about it. But instead of that, let's focus on what Harry Yeh had to say regarding his price target.
Today is a great day to buy Fantom. There's a temporary pullback. Like I said, our target price for this year is around $30, end of the year. We may or may not hit $10 by the end of the conference, but, we do have some announcements planned for tomorrow that are pretty big, that, we believe. Yeah.
So as you can see, he had a price target of $10 by the end of the conference. So he's not sure whether we're going to achieve that, but he's got a $30 price target, guys. And $30 price target from here is a 10x on Fantom, okay, which would take you to about Solana's market cap. So he's almost saying, look, we deserve to be in the big leagues with Cardano and Solana, therefore put us at $30 in price, because we're going to do a 10x on our market cap. So that's where we sit. And you know what? I wouldn't argue with that. And stay tuned for my video later on today, where I do a crazy bull case. It's a very detailed video, very different video. I was going to post it yesterday, but I ended up posting about Shiba. So wait for today on this Fantom video, which is going to come out, and it's going to show you, it's a complete fundamental analysis. You've probably not seen anything like it before. Make sure you watch it. It gets a bit detailed from time to time, but it'll give you a crazy price target of why I think Fantom is super, super undervalued right now. And it's an opportunity. It's similar to getting into Ethereum very early on. So let's take a look now at the 4-hourly on Fantom before we wrap up. And we can see on the 4-hourly, we're still super bullish, okay? We've not come from here, from the 15th, 16th of October, we've maintained above, and we've not even penetrated the EMA ribbon, okay? So we managed here. That did wick us down, but we didn't get a close down, and we've just bounced straight back up, ready to create a higher high. Now, the key is we need to go and create a new high now. We need to really get some momentum now. We've bounced off nicely. Let's create an uptrend. Let me just go to the hourly chart to make this a bit more visible. Now we need to keep this bullish momentum. We need to get this bounce off of here and create that higher high into the 350s and beyond. And we're very close to doing that, guys. We just need to maintain this uptrend, very broadly speaking, and not head back down now. It's very important that we create a new high without retesting the EMA ribbon. That's what we want to see. Okay, now what do we look like in terms of our longer term price prediction on Fantom? Well, if I take off my EMA ribbon and if we go to the weekly, you guys will know that this is the crazy pattern that we've been forming. Let me see if I can find my other chart. It'll be on here. And there we go. So now we're weekly, and what you can see is that if I go from swing low to swing high on this massive move, just this pattern alone suggests we can get to 394. And I think we can get there sooner rather than later. Another strong week here, and we could push through 394, or even a crazy announcement today, a Coinbase listing, something like that, which we've been teased about is happening today. We're going to get some crazy announcement today. Then this could break us straight to the to 394 Fibonacci level. Now, after that, I'm more than happy for us to get a slight retracement before heading higher. But as we know, our price target is to get to $10 on Fantom and then to the $30 mark, as Harry has just suggested. So overall, everything's looking super good from Fantom. The wider market is recovering. Bitcoin is up 4%, and altcoins are moving at a faster rate than Bitcoin, which is what we expect right now. Because it's not just full blown out Bitcoin FOMO just yet. So everything is moving steadily in the direction of Bitcoin. Now, Fantom is looking really strong. Good bounce off the EMA ribbon, looking good on the 4-hourly and looking good on the daily, more importantly. And on the weekly, it just looks crazy, right, guys? We're heading higher. Fantom is fundamentally undervalued right now. We've got the developers conference going on. We're expecting huge announcements today, which should pump the price. And more importantly, longer term, you heard it from Harry. Yeah, he wants to get to $10 and then get to $30. So there you have it, guys. If you like my perspective, my blend between fundamental and technical analysis, then as always, please don't forget to smash up the like button and subscribe. It really helps this channel out. If you want to become a member of this channel, then please consider joining. There's a join button there. You'll get access to this the community thread, where you can always ask me questions on your favorite TA. Ask me about your favorite coin. What do I think? Can I do some technical analysis on it? But more importantly, you'll be supporting the channel and will get a nice, pretty badge next to it. As always, I'll leave the link to the free Discord channel channel below. Head over there, say hi, speak to the community. I dive in there from time to time as well. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. We'll see you in the next one.